Without further ado, guys, let's get into today's special topic, which is PowerPoint design ideas. Alrighty. So guys, right now I have a PowerPoint up that we had originally used during our special event that we did last month on July 10th for hurricane preparedness. Now this was for the specific segment for data and power solutions, where we had created a simple simple presentation just for talking points, similar like how I just created that PowerPoint that we did for our yesterday's special topic, that being cloud storage. But for this one, I was like, okay, let me take one that we've used before, nothing really crazy about it, and let's start utilizing the design ideas. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you can either start from fresh, but I wanted to show you guys how intuitive it is to just take a plain PowerPoint that you may have already created and you want to spice it up a little. This is how you can do that. So go ahead and open your PowerPoint. You would most likely start at the home, you know, the basic stuff here. You're going to want to start on your first slide. So we're already on the first slide. So let's go ahead and try and up this PowerPoint up a notch. So then you're going to go over to the design tab at the top here, maybe blocked out by this live button, but it's just the fourth tab from the left. Click on design, and then you're going to see a lot of different design options. Now this could be primarily useful for, you know, if you want to edit it or create it from scratch. However, these are really cool and, you know, can make it look pretty nice and pop, but nothing quite like design ideas. So I'm going to want you to click on design ideas when you get your PowerPoint up and ready. Now it's going to generate design ideas based off of what's already in my PowerPoint. Now it is very intuitive. It's going to take words and it's going to, in some cases, find pictures to suit those words, suit those whatever it is that you are presenting. First thing I'm going to do is delete extra space, this blank space here. It's taken up. It's going to regenerate, and let's see what it came up with. Looks way better than what we had previously. Let's look at the other options. Still better. This one's pretty cool. No, not going down there. This one, that's pretty cool. The only issue is that this picture here, the benefit of this is that this will cut itself out. Pretty interesting, huh? How it fades it away. I think this is pretty cool. Data and power solutions. But this is some of the really intuitive things that it's going to do. It's going to just change it and make it look so much better. So based off of what it is before, let's show you guys what it was before. That's what it was before. When we went to design, let's go ahead and select one of them and show you guys how much that changed. And truth be told, this one was my favorite. Look at that. Like that 10 times more. You even have the option to switch it over. That to me looks way better than what we had previously. Of course, using better quality pictures would benefit as well. So now let's go into the next slide and let's see what design ideas it can come up with. So right now we have it pretty basic. Data scenarios. We have a premise, a cloud, very similar to what we talked about yesterday, cloud storage. Let's see how it can change that. Let's see this. Look at that. This is where it took the word premise, created a home image to apply to that. Cloud. Put a cloud. Look at the intuitiveness nature of this design ideas feature within PowerPoint. It was able to match the previous slide with the same kind of color coding, as well as take just 2 bullet points and create them into something much more lively. Now you have a lot of different options that you could have choose from. You even have this one, you know, where they have the cloud, the cloud, and then the home, the picture of your house. They have this one similar to how we used yesterday, but in this case, this would be the best option. Take this, let's see what it can do with this. Centralized storage planned by application. Look at that. And it is it almost gives it that extra touch, right guys? It is just making your PowerPoints go the extra mile, to giving you from a basic PowerPoint to something even better. Now, this is just handling design. Imagine that you're now starting to, if you use this to incorporate, you know, certain transitions and make the transitions, make it flow a little bit better. But this is giving you the ability to not really take that much effort, because I can tell you that this did not take that much effort. It's a black background with a couple of text in white, nothing incredible, 2 bullet points, and then we're able to change it into something like this, where it's disaster, stay in the cloud, flexible and scalable. You know, we can change things and make this into, let's say, use this instead, flexible and scalable, disaster, stay in the cloud. Look at these options that we have. And these are all powered by Office Intelligence Services. This is awesome. This is really going to give you the extra mile when it comes to, show that you're putting that extra effort into creating your PowerPoints. Let's try it out here. We only have about 8 slides, so we're going to go through all of them and see what we can really create from what it looked like before. So we have this, and let's see what it, look at that. Short-term outages, long-term outages. It gives a picture of a calendar. Even something basic like that if you want. Really did not look like that before. That's what it looked like before, guys. Something as simple as that can be even transitioned just into, well, that's the wrong slide there. Be transitioned to something like this. All right, let's go with that. Let's see this now. Power Solutions. Look at that, simple stuff. And look at that image that it did. Has a picture of a laptop with a shield, showing the protection by protecting critical systems long enough to save data and shutdowns. I just really want to show you guys how intuitive this really is. Look at that. Desk server UPS units, unplug unnecessary equipment. And this can take your drab, simple PowerPoint and just turn it into something that people are going to be more engaged with. People are going to be like, wow, they went this little extra step forward to make me more enthusiastic about the topic that they're discussing. This can be useful for your presentations, even if you're in school. It can be used as a presentation for presenting your service to clients, potential clients, simple things like that. And it's just really easy to use. It kind of just blew me away, and that's really why I wanted to show you guys this, and that's why I wanted to make this today's topic, this special topic, just do a quick little thing on it, because it really takes no effort at all. I find it even easier for you to just create a blank PowerPoint. Don't start from scratch and trying to utilizing the design ideas. Do it like how I'm doing. Create a simple PowerPoint, something not too intricate. You know, look at this, a topic and 2 things in between. Don't worry about the background. You don't even have to worry about making this black and white like how I did. Use the standard one that comes with PowerPoint, and then just go to design ideas and look at that. Building UPS, a generator. Like, of course, not all these may suit. You may want to just do something simple like that without the images, but that's the real benefits there. Test. Look at the stuff it can come up with. Let's go ahead and delete this. And look at that. That looks awesome. Way better than what it was before. Test. I'm telling you guys, this is very intuitive. I have to commend Office and their use of this Office Intelligence Services on creating this. Using these design ideas will definitely help me move forward with these same presentations that I'll be doing for you guys. When I present our special topic of the day, they're going to be very consistent, and that's because I'm going to be using design ideas to help me. You know, I may not be super, I'm not saying that I'm not creative, but when it comes to designing certain PowerPoints, I don't have that edge that a lot of other people may have. So by using these to really allow you guys to get more enthusiastic about my topics because of the use of design ideas to make them pop, that's exactly what I'm going to do, and I highly recommend that you take a look at it as well. So guys, that will pretty much finish up with our topic of the day for today. keeping it short and sweet. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can get notified whenever we release more videos, upload them to our channel, as well as when we're live, so you guys can come in, check out what I'm doing, servicing tickets for our clients, as well as offering that free IT help and advice that you may need. Don't forget to like this video, comment on it, let us know what you thought. We're all about constructive criticism. And once again, guys, we appreciate you tuning in. Thank you.